roll on perfume. It smells so good. Before we get started, it is important to note that the recipe we'll be following today only makes up to around 2 ml of perfume solution. If you desire to make more than 2 ml, that is completely fine. All you have to do is add to the ingredient proportions that we have used in today's videos accordingly. So first we'll grab our 10mm roller bottles, which is the container that we'll be putting all our ingredients into today. At Any Essentials, we sell 2 types of roller bottles that you can choose from, and both of these bottles, as well as all the other materials that we'll be using today, can be found linked below in the description and on our website. First, we are going to want to open up our roller bottle of choice. So just unscrew the cap, and then we want to take the part where the ball rolls in off. You might have to jiggle it a little bit, but eventually you can pop it right off like this. Okay, now it's time for the fun part, choosing the scents that we'll be using for our perfume. So today I'll be using pure grapefruit essential oil, ylang ylang essential oil, and vanilla oil oleo resin. Starting with the grapefruit, we are going to open it up. Once you've opened up your essential oils bottle, if you'd like, you could transfer it directly into your roller bottle. However, I would recommend grabbing a form of measuring cup. For example, I'm going to be using this beaker today just because it makes the process a lot cleaner, easier to transfer, and a lot more accurate measurement. We're going to start by dropping 6 drops of the grapefruit essential oil into the beaker. 4, 5, 6. Smells really good. Then we'll pour in our grapefruit essential oil straight into the roller bottle. Next, we'll repeat the same process we just did, this time with 8 drops of natural ylang ylang essential oil. So first we're going to open up the bottle like so. Then we'll take our measuring device and measure in 8 drops. And once you've transferred 8 drops into your measuring cup, then you can again transfer it straight into your roller bottle. And finally, we want 10 drops of our natural vanilla oil oleo resin. Moving our scents aside, now we will be using 10 drops of our pure almond oil. This will be used to dilute all of the essential oils that we've already put into our roller container. This oil actually has no scent to it. Only the previous 3 oils that we've already put into our roller oil are what gives our final perfume the scent. Therefore, it is important to note that if you do want to change the final scent of your perfume, only the grapefruit, ylang ylang and vanilla oils can be exchanged in this recipe. Here we have a brief table summary of various scents of classified essential oils. It is important to note that it is generally the safest to stick to combining scents within their category, as for example, mixing a floral scent with a musky scent may not smell as nice as oils just from under the floral scents. 10 drops of pure sweet almond oil. If your bottle doesn't have a drop at top, like here, that is completely okay. Here we'll be using a pipette instead to transfer the oil into the perfume bottle. Just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we have our final ingredient, dried rose petals. These rose petals will be filling up the remaining space in our roller bottle. So, I've poured some into my bowl here, just so that I can crunch them up a little with my fingers so that they will fit into the nozzle of the perfume bottle. Once you've broken your dried rose petals down to your desired size, you can use your tweezers to transfer the petals into the roller bottle. Like so. First petals are inside, and you fill it up to your desired preference. This process can be a little tedious, so don't be afraid to take your time with it. Now that we have finished putting all our ingredients into the roller bottle and filled it up, we have to shake the bottle to make sure all the ingredients are completely combined. To do so, 2 palms like this and roll around. Ta-da! Here is the final product. You can put this perfume anywhere you'd like, but personally, I like to put it right on this spot on the underside of my wrist. So, open it up, put it here, like so, rub. Guys, I smell like a flower. Smells really, really good. If only you could smell it through the camera. But yeah. Here you can see that I've made various different versions of the roll-on perfume. You can also give this a go. As explained at the start of the video, the recipe that we'll be showing today only makes up to around 2 mils. If you want to make a larger amount, the ingredient proportions must all be increased accordingly. For example, to create this second bottle of perfume, I multiplied each ingredient proportion by 7. So instead of 6 grapefruit drops, I put in 42 grapefruit drops. You can enjoy making many bottles for yourself. They also work well as great gifts for your mother, father, brother, sister, grandparent, grandfathers, grandmothers, granddaughters, grandsons, aunties, uncles, girlfriends, boyfriends. A great gift for absolutely anybody. It's always a fun DIY activity to do with friends and family as well. So I think scents and perfumes are really important in improving our self-confidence. Just like a person's chosen outfit, adding a scent can make you even more attractive. We choose scents that match our style, and thus they become a part of our image under any number of circumstances. It is entirely up to the user's preference as to what kind of scent suits his or her style the best. So Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy following this recipe to make your very own roll-on perfume. And I hope that you're able to find your signature scent. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Pure grapefruit essential. No. You can use your cute little tweezers. This process can be a little tedious, so don't. To make more than 2 millimeters. I said millimeters or millimeters. Today only makes up to around 2 milliliters of perfume solution. If you desire to make more than 2 milliliters, oh my goodness, used in today's video or accordingly. You're so close. Add to the proportion of the ingredients we have used today accordingly. I was so close.